Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about Laravel and we will be creating a new project in the Laravel framework. So for the new Laravel installation you need to have PHP version 8.0.1. Let's see if I will go to Laravel site, Laravel Installation. So you need a XAMPP or WAMP, a latest version. You can download XAMPP from the site apachefriends.org. You can download XAMPP from here, and please download the latest version. And after installing XAMPP, you can start the Apache server and MySQL server, and you can see that I can click admin and it is showing me PHP my admin. So this is PHP version 8.0.1. So to start this you have to have a composer. So first go to composer site, download composer. So download composer from that site. You will choose that composer setup.exe if you are on the Windows. So click that and it will be an installer. After installing you will be able to create a Laravel project. And furthermore you need npm download npm. It is also necessary if you are using front-end libraries. Download 32-bit version or 64-bit, that is according to your, but you need Windows, so Windows installer, and 32-bit and 64-bit you can choose whatever you want. So the main thing that you need, it is composer and Apache server with XAMPP or WAMP with the latest PHP installation. So now we can use that command. So we will use that command, composer create project. So first when you install composer, use this command and then you will be able to create this Laravel new app. So let's start. I will go to my XAMPP folder, XAMPP htdocs, and I will choose 2021 Laravel, and I will create a folder YouTube, and here I will create a new folder Laravel first app. In that folder I will press shift on my keyboard, and along with I will choose mouse right click, and I will click open PowerShell. Here there will be open command window here or PowerShell, so I will choose PowerShell. If it is showing on your PC open command window, you can choose that, so commands are the same. So the PowerShell has been opened in that folder that is in the XAMPP htdocs 2021 Laravel YouTube Laravel first app. So now I will use that command Laravel new app. If you have installed composer, please use this command, so composer will be installed globally, and after this you can use this command. So use this command, copy this, copy and paste, and Laravel new I will choose Laravel. Yeah, I will choose first app. I will click enter. So now Laravel composer will create all the files that are required to. So as you can see, it's created my first app. So I will choose php artisan serve, that command, copy paste enter. So I have to go to in that folder. I will go into that folder first app, and I will click open PowerShell here or command window, and I will paste that command php artisan serve. So as you can see, it is running on that address. I will copy that address and go to my web page and enter that address. As you can see, it is running. You need to have XAMPP installed, and Apache and MySQL server is needed. MySQL server is needed afterward, not now. So this is the Laravel, your first Laravel app. So let's see what is in this project. I will you can download Visual Studio Code from that site. Download Visual Studio Code. So this is very good editor. I will open that code, copy, and Visual Studio Code file, open folder and paste, and I will select that folder and open in VS Code. So all files are shown here. So now I will show you resources, views, and welcome blade.php. So this file is showing here while I am running my first Laravel app. So I will delete all that, and I will choose HTML or simple HTML, and I will choose h1 and my first Laravel app. Click save and refresh. So as you can see, it is showing my first Laravel app. So this is the method that you can use Laravel, install the Laravel, and also you can change your view. So let's see if you want to create a database linked with that. So I will go to phpMyAdmin and create a database. First app, create, and now I will go to Laravel site. So first of all, I will go to environment. There will be a file name environment.env. I will choose first app, so it is showing the first app also. So database name is also first app. This is first app, so it is okay. And I will go to data config and database, and I will choose also here first app, and the username is root and password is empty. So after this I will refresh that, and as you can see, there is no issue. So now I will go to Laravel site and go to documentation and getting started, installation, and I will choose migration, database migration. So here is the database migration. So first I need a table. I will copy that, php artisan make migration. So basically migration is used when you want to create a table in the database automatically. So I will use that command here, close that, and in the VS we'll go to here, and the student table is created. I will copy that. So this is, and now I will choose PHP artisan जी पता नहीं देख लेते हैं. So as you can see, the tables are created. Students table. So now I will go to app folder. In the models folder I will copy that user. Now I will create a new file, and it will be student.php, or I can create model with the php artisan command. ELOQUENT, I will search for ELOQUENT ORM. So this will be php artisan make model. I will use that command. This model name will be student. So this is the model, extends model. So now I will use that. I will go to web, I will go to config, and I will search for the file web.php. so this file will be in the routes folder, routes and web.php. so now I will use that student std will be name will be Ali, and std address will be APC, and std mobile will be, and I will use that command. It will save these values automatically. I will refresh that page, and I will refresh my database. First step, and click students. So as you can see, this data is already populated in the database. So now I want to view the data. So let's create a form instantly. Go to resources and views, welcome, and I will create a form. tr td, and I will choose name td, input type text, and name will be name, and I will copy that row and create a new row with the address and mobile and placeholder. So I don't need placeholder. Its names will be address and its name will be mobile. So let's refresh that. I have a form, and I will choose. So basically I need a form tag also, form, and in that form I have that table, and I will refresh format selection with intelligence. So this is the form. I will add a button tr td and I will choose input type submit, name submit, and value will be insert data. So form is complete. I will choose call span to, or I will create a new column here. So this is the insert data. So I have to stop that saving because it is saving again and again. As you can see, it is showing me records because it was refreshing again and again. So now I will complete my form. This form will be submitted. So let's see. I will go to welcome.played and action will be form submit. So I will create that in the web.php route get form submit, and now I will use controller, student controller, and use a function to make it simple. And this is the function, and in that function I will choose dd, and I will choose request and r, and I will choose r, and it will be shown that form is submitted. I will go to refresh that page and I am getting my form. So I will choose the name from the r, and then post, and then the name, and I will return that name. Call to me full request. So now I can use that data to return the name. So r, as I am using get, so get in, I will choose post. In the welcome.played form action submit, and method will be get. I will choose, so I will choose post, actually post, and in the web.php I will choose post request post name, and the name is name. Okay, so I will type some name, one or Ali, address, anything, and it will insert data. So post method is not supported in this route, so I have to choose post here. Now I will submit form again. So form submit, so I will choose actually get, make it simple, and remove that. And now once I will refresh that, submit, insert data, so it is showing the form data. So now what I need is to use that code and put here, and I will choose that, and this semicolon, and save, and I will choose save. So once the form is submitted, then the data will be saved with the address and mobile. So let's refresh that. Column address cannot be null, so I have to complete that form. A or Ali, address Lahore, and mobile number something, insert data. So as you can see, I will go to students. So this Ali, Lahore, and this data is inserted. So now what I want, I need that table to show in my web page. So for this I have to get the data by student all, and this will be data, and I will choose with array data, and data will be data. I will give it a name students.
भाई अगर 140 रुपये कटाएंगे तो 110 रुपये आ जाएंगे ना।
So the data is saved with that, and it is loading the view. So now I want to show my data. To show the data, I will go to welcome.plate and create a table and tr table tr, and in this I will use td, and I will use for each of students as std, and for each, and here I will choose td, and in the td I will show the data with the std and name, and I will give it a border of 1. Let's show that. So here you can see it is showing me early, but it is this is the mistake. This will be inside of that. So now Ali, it is showing me tr. First of all I need th, and then first I need tr. In the tr I need th, and this will be name, address and mobile, then this will be tr, td, tr, and a table. So this is name Ali, and address. So I will choose address and mobile. Let's refresh that. So let's add some data Ali and Farhan APC, and this is the address. Insert data. So this is showing me that. So this is the body. I will create a div, body and form and table. So I will create a div and align center and paste everything in that. Refresh. So it is center, and now I will choose some br to break some, and I will choose h1 all students. So this is showing me all students, and I can insert data, address and mobile. So now if I want to use bootstrap w3 school, I will go to the bootstrap w3 school. Try it yourself. I will copy these lines and paste here in the head section, and now I will class of container. So this is inside container and it is implemented. So align will work or not now. Align center. So align is working. Now I will apply that classes bootstrap in format selection with IntelliFence and table with class table bordered table hover. So this is showing me the data bordered. So this is the table. I will apply farm classes, so td, and it will be class farm control, not here, it will be here, class farm control, and it will be btn primary. So this is the farm name, address and mobile, and insert data. I will insert one more data, and I will use order by. I will go here and choose order. Let's remove all data, check all and delete, and I will also assign welcome.plate. It will be format IntelliFence, and I will choose name will be required. So now once I refresh, insert data, it is showing required. I will choose Ali, and address, once I will refresh, it is adding Farhan because it is submitting that form. Undefined student, so in that simple I have to choose that, and this is the way to go. And I will delete all the records, check all, delete, yes, refresh, no issue. Choose Ali, address APC, and mobile number, insert. So data is inserted successfully. Insert, it is showing. I will choose another Farhan, address, mobile, insert data. So this is the method that how you can set up Laravel and create tables, add records and submit records. So let's see, if you want to go to student HTTP controllers, I will create I will go to site and create, search for controllers. So create controller, so I will choose that. I will create controller myself. New controller, new file will be student controller .php. This is the sample controller, so I will use that. So this is student controller, I will use that. This is the student controller, student, and this is the student. So now I will showing I will going to welcome and student all, and this is I will go to web.php and I will copy that data and go to student controller, and I will return view welcome with the array students, so that's okay. So this is show, and I will go to web.php and I will create a route for that, and this will be student controller show. So this is the data that I am showing. So that's I need. I will choose import class, or I can use controllers and student controllers, app http controllers. Refresh that. So now it is showing me that results. So now I can, this form submit will be go to this form submit. I will create a function insert, and I will use that, and this will be request r, and I will cancel that, and this will be insert, can be index, easily index, or it can be simple. So controller, student controller, this is the post, import class, all post. So insert, let's refresh that, refresh index. So this is not index, this is show. I will choose the index, and it is showing me data. I will insert that data to show it is inserting or not inserting. Unresolved dependency method in class Ghazal. So this is not I need. Controller request, import class, and I will go to web.php. so this I need that request. So student controller use, and that's okay. Can insert one more data, insert data. So now it is showing me that records, and web.php welcome blade, and this is the web. So now I am submitting my data with the help of controllers. So all this code will be available on the GitHub. I will show you how you can publish. So publish to GitHub, and Laravel tutorial first step, it will be public. So you can download that code from that link that I will provide in the description of that video. I hope you will like that tutorial. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel.